Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Toyo if you're just meeting me for the first time. I am a YouTuber in Malta and I am a digital nomad as well. On this channel I make videos about digital nomad visa, the updates with the visas, and just my living experience in Malta. In today's video I'm going to be giving information about taxes with the digital nomad visa. I'm sharing information about the taxes, at what point you have to start paying the taxes in Malta as a digital nomad, and also the rate. So please stay to the end of this video, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to your comments also in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe as well. I'm going to be putting a screenshot of the document from the Nomad Residence Permit Income Tax. I'll be putting a screenshot of what this is and I will explain what it means afterwards. So, in this document, which was released on the 7th of December 2000, now the first one is on the income tax liability, and it says that an eligible main applicant shall be chargeable to income tax at the rate of 10% on his chargeable income derived from authorized work, subject to any relief of double taxation as provided in Part X of the Act. So this means that the main applicant of the Nomad Residence Permit is going to pay taxes, and the rate of these taxes is 10%. So you're going to be paying a tax as a main applicant. If you come on your own or if you bring your family, you are paying taxes of 10%. Now, the second one is on the income tax registration and tax returns. And it says here that subject to the other provisions of this rule, an eligible main applicant having income chargeable to tax in Malta shall be required to be registered for income tax purposes and to file a return of income accordingly. And so the main applicant of this Nomad permit is required to be registered for income tax purposes, even in respect of the activities carried out before the end of the period of 12 months. The Nomad residence permit, you are exempted from taxes for the first 12 months. After that 1 year, you're going to begin to pay your taxes. But before the end of the 12 months, you're expected to register for the income taxes. So before that 12 month expires, you are expected to register with the right authorities. I believe that's very explanatory. You're supposed to register for income tax purposes before the end of the 12 months. I'll state it again that you're as a digital nomad in Malta, you're not expected to or obligated to pay income taxes in the first 1 year of your permit. Now, after that 1 year, you are going to begin to pay the income tax, and the rate, as I mentioned before, is 10%. The rate is 10%. Yes, so that's the first and the second one. And finally, in respect of any year or part thereof in which an eligible main applicant is subject to tax in respect of income arising from authorized work, if he provides official written document providing to the satisfaction of Residency Malta agency acting on behalf of the commissioner that he has paid taxes in a country outside Malta at a rate of at least 10% on the said income, he shall not be required to report such income for Maltese income tax purposes on the basis of the fact that the tax due on such income shall be deemed to have been settled by the application of the relief of double taxation provisions of the Act. So what does this mean? It means that if you're already paying taxes in your home country or anywhere outside Malta, then you are not required to pay the taxes in Malta. As long as you're already paying taxes, for example, in your home country, you're already paying at least 10% taxes, and you can provide enough supporting documents and they are satisfied with it, that is the Residency Malta, then you do not need to pay taxes in Malta. Guys, disclaimer, this is not financial advice, please. If you have further questions, you can probably reach out to Residency Malta. Their email is available if you do a Google search. You can reach out to Residency Malta or, I don't know, consult a lawyer or something. But I am just bringing you this information, responding to a question on my YouTube channel. And this is a document that we have from the Nomad Residence Agency. Any further questions, you can please leave it in the comment section. After watching this, if you want a copy of the PDF that I'm using or that I use to explain this to you, you can just send me a message or maybe send your email in the comment section, or you can send me an email and then I will send it to you. That being said, thank you all so much. I hope this video has been of value to you. I have other videos about the Malta Nomad Residency Permit, and I'm going to link them in the description or somewhere above, so please do well to watch them if you have other questions. I'm sure those videos will answer a lot of other questions that you would have about this particular visa. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.